Prokop. I'm the founder of True Medicines, and we're answering the question, what would happen if drugs were live data points? And the opportunity exists now because of two laws that were passed several years ago, the Drug Security Act, which requires manufacturers to serialize all their sellable units. So all their packages have to be serialized with a barcode, and all the information has to be standardized. So that's one thing that's happening right now. Pharmaceutical companies spend $35 billion a year in packaging. At the moment, they only are 20% compliant with this new law, so they've got a lot of way to go before 2018 fines start occurring. The second law that we're taking advantage of as the opportunity is the Obamacare, or Affordable Health Care Act, where there's a new form of health care system being put into place of the accountable healthcare organizations. And so what those organizations do is they are take care of a population of people. And the idea is that if they're able to maintain this population of people healthy without them going into crisis, they can manage their chronic diabetes or heart disease without them going into crisis, meaning going into the emergency room, if they can prevent that, and they can reduce the cost of overall health care. And I think by using this type of ACO method, you can reduce the payments to Medicare by almost $1 billion a year. So the one thing that they face with the ACOs is compliance. So compliance with drug regimes or compliance with therapies. So our solution for that is an app. So we have an app that tracks and traces and authenticates drug units. So by doing that, we're going to provide this to Big Pharma so they can track and trace all their pharmaceutical products. They can save money because it's a turnkey solution. We handle all their data. They'll be able to handle recalls more efficiently, as opposed to blasting out media requests saying, where's our product, please help us. They'll know exactly where their product is using GPS coordinates. For the ACOs, they'll save money because the patient actually is doing the data entry with their cell phones. And so that's, it's a self-documenting system. And of course, that data is going to be able to be shared between all the providers as a part of the patient's healthcare record, the drug compliance. So how do we do this magic? So we take existing biomedical or biometric identifiers, and we add our special sauce to it, and we add speech recognition, and we're able to identify each unique tablet by the speckles on that tablet as an identifier. So you can think of each tablet as sort of a face of a person. So you can change, get this on my pocket here. So we all notice that as a data point. Well, now we're turning that into a data point. So where we are, our traction, we have 2 patents for this. We're granting, or we have another one pending. We have the app working on Azure. We have thousands of existing pharmaceuticals that we can use, Schedule II, opiates, things like that, drugs that are prescription drugs, not over the counter. Leveraging existing processes. Big Pharma already photographs all their pills in manufacturing, so there's no friction there. They already do this, but they throw the data away. We're going to capture it. Pharmacies already scan barcodes. That's no problem. Customers know how to take pictures with their phones. Here's the competition. The main problem with some of the competition is they have expensive equipment that are needed to analyze drugs. We're going to have a subscription model where we handle the data for companies. But once we have that data, we'll be able to do all kinds of other data manipulation with it. We can do big data analysis with it. So for instance, what if we could track Tamiflu? We would then see a graphical image of where flu is occurring around the country. That's my team, heavily oriented towards software at the moment. This is our hockey stick that we project to happen. And we're looking for 500K And we don't make pills, we make pills travel.